With all eyes on Epic Universe, it's easy to forget that Universal Studios Florida is currently working on several new projects of its own. The KidZone area is being reduced to rubble, yet Universal has not yet announced what will replace it. And the VillainCon Minion Blast attraction is set to open this summer, along with a new Minions re-theme for the front of the park. Let's dig into what we know and what we think we know about the KidZone Replacement, as well as some interesting new details for the Minions attraction in today's news update. Woody Woodpecker's KidZone at Universal Studios Florida officially closed on January 16, 2023, and work walls went up around the area that same day. E.T. Adventure, SpongeBob StorePants, and the Animal Actors show remain open, but the rest of the area is being replaced with something new. Universal did not say what would be replacing the former KidZone branded area, only saying that it would soon begin work on bringing new family entertainment featuring beloved animated characters. Shortly after the walls went up around this area, images from various DreamWorks properties appeared on them. While Universal still hasn't confirmed it themselves, I think we can all agree that the new KidZone Replacement will in fact be based on DreamWorks properties, as many had predicted. Recent aerial photographs from BioReconstruct on Twitter show just how quickly the company has been to remove the old structures. As permits from December indicated, it appears that all of the former Fievel's Playland is being completely demolished. As we had reported previously, it appears, at least so far, that the kiddie coaster in this area is remaining intact. It is rumored that this coaster will be refurbished and rethemed, but will remain as part of a new DreamWorks area when it opens. Demolition of the Curious George area is still ongoing, but permits did describe this area's demolition as partial, so it's possible that some structural elements may remain. So far, most of the town sections have been removed, including all themed elements, but the interactive ball factory at the back of the area remains. Public documents filed with the Florida Department of Environmental Protection show a construction timeline that ends March 29, 2024. That lines up with rumors for the new KidZone Replacement being ready to open by summer of next year. That same document shows a construction start date of January 16, 2023, which was the day that the work walls went up around the area, so the end date may be accurate as well. As for what will be replacing this area, rumors from even before DreamWorks characters were added to the work walls had the Fievel's Playland section replaced with a new play area themed to Shrek's Swamp. This possible new Shrek-themed area might also include a new permanent location for the Shrek and Donkey meet and greet. The former Woody Woodpecker's Nut House coaster is rumored to be rethemed to DreamWorks Trolls, creating a sort of troller coaster, if you will. And since there does not appear to be any demolition permits for the former Barney Theater, which was used as a DreamWorks dance party in recent years, it's possible that that will remain intact and possibly be used for a Trolls dance party when the new area opens. The back section of the land is rumored to be reserved for Kung Fu Panda. So far, there were only rumors for some type of interactive character experience and perhaps a small quick service location. A new patent from Universal seems to back up the interactive character rumors, as it shows an animated panda on a projected surface with diagrams on how a human performer can control the cartoon character in real time backstage using a puppeteering rig. These patent illustrations appear to take place at Mr. Ping's Noodle Shop, as seen in the Kung Fu Panda series of films. The patent explains that perhaps customers could even order something, like a box of cookies, and they could be delivered via a chute from an employee backstage. One interesting section of the patent even talks about using the chute to supply food, using a bowl of noodles as an example. Whether this technology would only be used for an interactive meet and greet, or could be instead used for a hybrid interactive experience that also acts as an actual quick service food location, is not yet known. Other rumors suggest that the interactive animation technology could be used for a kids' training academy show led by Poe himself. It could be set up similarly as interactive shows like Turtle Talk with Crush at Disney parks. With the animated technology used for a show, perhaps a separate experience could be found in the area featuring Mr. Ping using the traditional puppet as previously seen at Universal Studios Hollywood. Universal has not confirmed any of these rumored details or speculation, and haven't even given us an opening time frame for the KidZone Replacement. It is rumored that this will be the resort's new offering for 2024, bridging the time between the Minion Blast attraction opening this year and Epic Universe opening in 2025. On the other side of the park, we're in the home stretch for the attraction replacing Shrek 4D. Illumination's VillainCon Minion Blast was officially announced to be opening this summer. The former Monsters Cafe is being transformed into the Minion Cafe as well, creating a sort of mini land that Universal is calling Minion Land on Illumination Avenue. The former Shrek building has received a new coat of paint. Purple awnings have been added over a section of the exterior queue. Small signs for standby and express lanes have been added, as well as VillainCon banners within the covered queue area. Banners have also been installed on the front entrance arch for the attraction. These banners are promoting VillainCon at Universal Studios Florida featuring the Vicious Six. Unlike the promotional poster for the attraction, which appeared to include villain characters from all of the Despicable Me films, which take place decades after the setting of the attraction, these final banners only include the actual villains that are seen in Minions: The Rise of Gru. Although you may notice that there are only 5 members of the Vicious Six pictured. That is because we're here to audition to become the 6th member ourselves. To see if we have what it takes to become the newest member, we will be picking up an interactive blaster for this attraction and will step onto a continuously moving pathway. We will earn points, according to the official press release, by blasting a variety of items and causing as much mayhem and destruction as possible. This may be an image of what these handheld blasters could look like. The graphic, which was discovered within the mobile app's image assets, shows what appears to be the ability to connect the blaster to your smartphone. This fits within rumors that we will be able to track our scores from the attraction and even view leaderboards. Zooming in on the image, the blaster seems to have the words Eliminator X written on it. It is worth pointing out that this has not been confirmed by the company to be the actual blasters for the ride, and the only information for it that we have is that the file is named Onboarding Wearables USF. In addition to the moving belt pathway for the main part of the attraction, as well as a small section of indoor queue with blaster pickup and an exit gift shop, a large portion of the building is still being set aside for Halloween Horror Nights to be used for haunted houses. They may not have time this year to utilize this multi-purpose space, as work around the area is still ongoing, but they should be able to reclaim this former Shrek house location beginning next year. Next door to the Minion Blast attraction, work is picking up steam for the Minion Cafe. The entry for this new dining location is being extended, but is still expected to be on the same side of the building as the entrance to the former Monsters Cafe. Steel framing is also being added along the side of the building, and it is rumored that this area will be themed as a city street featuring multiple colorful false facades that may be similar to some of the facades seen in Minion Park at Universal Studios Japan. On the side closest to the exit gift shop for Minion Blast, it is rumored that we will be getting the Bake My Day sweet shop, as first seen in Despicable Me 2. And exactly as it appears at Minion Land at Universal Studios Beijing. This small shop features packaged treats as well as a prepared dessert case in Beijing. If true, it would be replacing the former face painting and donkey meet and greet area on this side of the building. Now, that would mean that there would be 3 Minions-related gift shops all on that one intersection at Universal Studios Florida. The Super Silly Stuff exit gift shop for the existing Minion Mayhem ride, the new VillainCon themed exit gift shop for the upcoming Minion Blast, and this possible Bake My Day sweet shop on the back corner of Minion Cafe. Team members for the commissioning of Minion Blast are being hired now, so we could see this attraction open as soon as May, but more likely June, assuming they do not run into any serious issues. Construction on the Minion Cafe seems to be lagging behind, so it's possible that the attraction could open first, even as previews and soft opens, with the cafe coming online later. That's all for now, but be sure to subscribe to never miss an update and consider joining our Patreon to support the channel. We recently posted an exclusive podcast discussing news and rumors for the Walt Disney World and Disneyland resorts. Plus, you'll get other perks including behind-the-scenes posts, your name in the credits, and more. Patreon.com/themeparkstop. Thanks for watching. See you next time.